Guys, what the walk is up? This, my friends, is a 2003 Toyota Tacoma SR5. Yeah, it's a kick-ass little truck for under 15 grand to be exact. I think I'm gonna be listing this one at $12,997. Here's the perks on it. It's a brand new 2.5 inch rough country lift kit on it. It's got a brand new set of American Racing 16 inch wheels. It has a brand new set of Renegade 265 75 16 inch tires, all brand new setup. And let's go check it out. Hope you guys like it. And the best part is check this out. Super in check, super in line. So those of you guys who have states that do the inspection where they can't stick out more than 2 inches past the fender well, guess what? You're in luck, because this one's got a new inspection, or somewhat new. I just got that a few months ago because we had this truck and I just decided to build it. Small, nothing too extreme, nothing too crazy, because some people out there don't like stuff like that, and that's why I did it. Yeah, they're Renegade MT. These are MT tire, brand new. Look at the nice nipples. Look at the titties on those tires. Super nice. You like it? You like it? You like it? Yeah, check it out. 265 75 16. And the best part is it doesn't rub, because nobody likes being rubbed off dry, and this truck doesn't rub when you're turning. I'm gonna do a walk around so you can see the whole truck. It does have a few dents, a few scratches. It's an older truck. It's not goddamn brand new. The tailgate's got some dents in it, but the tailgate also works. So, spray and Line-X bed liner from 1985. Rough country shocks right there. Okay, undercarriage has a little bit of surface rust, but nothing too compromising. Okay, super nice. You get your Pro Series receiver right there. Nice truck. So check it out. A little bit of peeling action right here, like I was just telling you guys. So it does have a little bit of clear coat peeling. It's not a brand new damn truck. Excuse me, but for an aggressive standpoint, for, you know, as cheap as this truck is for a 4-wheel drive, you can't beat it, guys. Hit me up if you guys have any questions or if you're interested in buying it. We also ship vehicles. You can call me at 540-848-2974. Subscribe, hit the notification button, and stop by sometime, because we do crazy shit. Guys, check this out. I'm gonna be also posting a video. One of my undercoating guys in my detailer has been sabotaging me because he knows I'm OCD. I'm very particular with my shit. So he's been messing my stuff up, but I have something in store for him tomorrow. Because yesterday I ordered like 15 or 20 pizzas to his shop, and he had to pay for it, so it's game on. Anyways, back to the truck. Let's check it out. Here's the roof. Here's the inside. Super nice inside. Really nice. The seats are in great shape, no rips. Plastic's still on the floor mat right there. It's got the plastic on it. Steering wheel's good, it's clean. This truck has, I'll tell you how many miles are on it. I can start the thing up. Come on. That's the wrong key. Hold on. Sorry, guys. It's got 178,000 miles on it, 178,030. So there you have it. AC works great, heat works great, CD player, 4-wheel drive. It's getting dark out, so I don't know how much longer this video is gonna last, but there it is. Back seat, it's got the captain's, or what do you call these damn things? Co-pilot seats. I don't know what the hell these things are called, like the jump suit. I don't know. It's a back seat for small people. Anyways, here you go. Hope you guys liked the video. This is the 2003 Toyota Tacoma SR5 4-wheel drive lifted with 2.5 inch rough country lift kit on it with a set of Renegade MTs, brand new tires, and American Racing wheels. Yep, there you have it. Peace out, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Subscribe. Peace out. See you later.